Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ruby. Today we are going to learn about the Ruby arrays. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So what is array? An array is an ordered collection of objects. Each element is indexed starting from 0. Arrays can hold any type of object including numbers, strings or even other arrays, right? So this is an example of the array. Here you can see that. So how you can declare that array, let me show you. So this is how you can declare the array, right? Or you can say, you can just write fruits. Okay, and here you can see this is the declaration main thing, right? So this is how we can declare the array. Or there is another way to declare that array, that is with array.new method. So this is another method that you can declare. Use the array.new method. So array.new, that creates an empty array. Okay, so this is how you can create the arrays, right? And if you want to fill the values, so this is how you can fill the values, right? And if you want to get the values, let's suppose I want to get the values of the zero index, first index, and second index. So you have to put like this. So you have to call put means basically print fruits 0. If I run this one, here you can see apple, because apple is at the 0 index, 1 index and the 2 index. Okay, moving to the next, how to create arrays, that is already done. Now accessing the arrays which is already done. So how you can access the values, fruits 0. If I go with, I want to access these values of the banana, I will go with the 1. Okay, next, adding or removing elements. Suppose sometimes I have a like scenario, like I want to push something to the array last element of the array at the beginning of the array. Okay, so in that scenario we have to use the push and the pop. Okay, so push means we are going to push the values into the array at the end, and pop means removing the element from the last element. Okay, pop means remove the last element from the array, that would be the pop. Okay, so let's take a look of that one. So you can do with the dot push or this arrow symbols to add an element at the end. Okay, so if I just copy this and just add this. Okay, fruits dot push orange or grapes. Okay, so it would be apple, orange, cherry, apple, banana, cherry, orange, and it should be the grapes. Let's save this and let's print puts. We can get anything, right? So this is how you can push the arrays dot push. Okay, next one, if we go over there, like pop the element. So I want to just fruits dot pop, so it will remove the elements at the end. Okay, so here you can see at the last element is grapes, so fruits dot pop will remove this element and you will get this one up to orange. Okay, so the next one, that shift removes the first element while unshift adds an element at the beginning. So if you want to remove the first element, so you have to use fruits dot shift. Okay, and if you want to remove the element, or sorry, not remove, unshift means adds an element at the beginning, so you have to use fruits dot unshift, whatever the name of the fruit you can add, so it will add at the beginning. So whenever you want to add the element in the beginning, use unshift, and if you want to remove the first element, so use the shift. Okay, so the common array methods, so the most important, that is length. So whenever we have the array, we have to check the length, and on the behalf of the length we are doing the calculations. So how you can calculate fruits dot length, so you have to calculate like this. Okay, so now I'm going to just put fruits dot length. Okay, let's see what will happen. So it's a 5. So 0 1 2 3 4, it's printing 5, 3 4 and the 5. Yes, this is correct. Okay, now moving to the next, we have the include. checks if an element exists in the array or not. If you want to check like the element exists, because this is the cases, right? So sometimes we have a requirement like this element exists or not in the array, and on the behalf of it we have to do the conditions. So in that case we have to use the include. So puts fruits include banana or not, so it return true or false. On the behalf of it you can add the check. Okay, so let's add this and run this. It returns true or false. The banana is there, so it return true. If it is not, then return false. Okay. Next, reverse the order of the elements. If you want to reverse the order, just use the reverse fruit array and the reverse. Okay, iterating over the arrays, because it's very important, because we have the arrays. I want to iterate, I will go with the each. Okay, so how you can do that? So you can print all the values. Okay, so this is how you can iterate. Fruits dot each fruit puts fruit. Okay, so it will print the, so we have iterated already fruit, right? And we have to print the fruit, so it will print all the fruits we have. Okay, so apple, banana, cherry, orange, and grape. Okay, so this will print all the fruit right now, right? Next one, you can also use a method like map, select, reject to transform or filter the arrays. Okay, so double the numbers in the array. Okay, so here you can see that we can do the double with the help of this num into 2. Okay, so this is just the calculation part, right? Okay, so this is done. I hope you understand the concept of the arrays. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.